welcome back to Lavi Rèv. So this weekend I'm here in Austin for the very first time at South by Southwest. So wanted to take you guys along, just show you what it's like as a founder who's like out and about, just meeting and talking to other women who are doing incredible things. We have a number of events from, sorry for all the birds, a number of events for Black and brown women across Austin. I think it's going to be a really fun weekend. So I'm excited to take you guys with me. Let's go. You're a pro, you already knew. Okay. And as far as fit goes, like, do you want it like pretty fitted?
Yeah.
Not like, okay, it's not
super tight, but like fit.
Okay. So let me cut it right there. Oh my gosh, sorry, lighting is absolutely crazy in here, but I'm here at the Future Summit Crane Cultivated Walking Past the Seats now. It's been absolutely amazing. So obviously I love being here as a founder, particularly because my best friend runs Austin-based PR firm. So I'm getting access to all of these incredible women and just absolutely amazing. So inspiring. I hope you guys are liking the footage. I don't know what I filmed so far, so I hope you guys like what I have so far, but stay tuned. I'm going to do a full recap at the end of the South by experience. So talk to you soon. And we're back. So I'm not sure how much you guys have seen, but we've got barbecue, which is really nice, like that authentic, you know. This is my first time ever in Texas, so it's actually really cool to, like, you know, do all the things, the touristy kind of thing. So just had barbecue. We still have a few more South by events to go. I'm only here for the first weekend. Like, there's usually 2 weekends for South by Southwest. I'm here for the first weekend. That's more like the business and tech weekend, and the second weekend is more music based. So if you're ever interested in coming to South by, definitely check out which weekend you're going to, which panels. I really like today because I feel like especially as somebody who has a finance, business, consulting background, I don't necessarily have as much experience on the marketing PR side. So that was really cool to, like, learn about that. Funnels, like, I don't know, I feel like I learned a lot today that would be really useful to my business and stuff that I don't have, like, a formal education on. So that is cool. And I'm excited for the rest of the weekend. We have a few more events. We don't leave till Monday. So 4 full days of things. It's really, really cool. So I hope you guys are enjoying following me around. People wear cowboy boots and hats. It's so cool. You know, I'm into fashion. And I'm like, wow, they really wear cowboy boots and hats. It's a thing and it doesn't even look bad. So okay, I'll talk to you guys later. So today's like a really beautiful sunny day. Me and Mr. Olivia kind of just have some off time finally. No work or meetings. Just exploring Austin. It's so awesome. It's really, I really like it. So we're on South Congress now. This is like the place to be. I think it's really cool to see it for South by because everything is like lit up. Everyone has an activation. There's something going on. It's a beautiful, beautiful city and I'm loving all of the trees. So great, but I see why people want to come down here. I see like why there's like buzz and hype about Austin because I see it. I see it. So I hope you guys are enjoying following us around, seeing what it's like being here for work. I think I really, and I know I've said this, I think I said this on yesterday, like last time I filmed, but it's been really good learning more about like the marketing and networking side because I do have such a like corporate finance banking career background. So I'll talk to you guys at the next one.